Hello everyone, this is Arkady from JoyT5. Today we're going to continue working on this trench. So in the previous video with the R18, we dug the trench. After that we installed a water in a pipe, put some gravel around it to protect it from being crashed, and right now we need to fill this trench. To do so, we will use our diesel mini skid steer JT5SSTM4. Here's a close-up of the trench. That trench is 8 feet deep, and it's going to go underneath the wall and come outside here. Here is a second pile of clay to fill it with. All right, let's begin filling the trench. This skid steer is able to pick up the full buckets.
A few moments later.
All right, we were able to move that pile of clay in less than 15 minutes. Again, I was trying to move slow and be extra careful. As you see, there's not a lot of space here. Plus, we have some buried pipes that I had to work around. Overall, very happy with this JT5SSTM4. As you see, it can lift a lot and it can move a lot. Now we're going to go outside and fill this trench from the other side first to lift the level of the clay in order to be able to have enough clay inside here to fill underneath the door. All right, now we're going to start filling outside trench. We will leave this 2x4 in. This is going to be our mark where the pipe has ended. Later down the road, we will dig out a bigger trench over here that will go to the well. All right, we filled the trench with this JT5SSTM4 diesel mini skid steer. It was fairly easy to do and fairly fast. Here's a close-up of how it looks when it's filled. Here's how it looks inside. All done. If you're going to have any questions about JoyT5 equipment like mini skid steers, full-size skid steers, excavators, wheel loaders, ground compactors, or attachments, including custom attachments for machines up to 80 tons in weight, please visit JoyT5.com or give one of our dealers a call. And as always, thank you for watching, like and subscribe.